All right, everyone, check this out. This is huge. If you trade with Fibonacci's like I do and we do in our group, this is a massive brand new update on TradingView. I'm going to walk you through how this works. You no longer have to set alerts because now the alerts will be placed inside of your TradingView Fib levels. So let me show you this. This is an active trade that we are currently on right now inside of our trading club. This is AUDUSD. Let me tell you where we took the trade. It was based on a Fib level and how easy this alert was to receive to get into the trade where you can be anywhere in the world. As long as your TradingView is connected to your phone, it's going to send you a message to your phone. Let me walk you through this. So again, this is an active trade. We are currently riding this amazing short position. So when you go over here on the left-hand side, okay, you have all your different tools over here. What you want to do is you want to grab Fibonacci retracement. And the reason why we got in at this level right here, okay, this was the retest level, was because I had set up a Fibonacci level from this high to this swing low right here. So let me show you this. Okay, again, we had the high position. We swang low. On the way back up, we wanted to go ahead and place a Fibonacci level here. So what I did was, and this is how you set up the alerts, you will now right-click on the Fibonacci of your choice. In this example, I had set it to the 61.8, okay? So when I right-click on it, you're going to see this option up here called Add Alert to Fib Retracement. Brand new feature. Amazing. You're going to click on it, okay? And so here, you are going to choose at which level you want the Fib to alert you. In this case, it was the 61.8. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to alert me while it's crossing up. So you're going to make these two changes on here. And then, again, you can trigger it to alert you once, multiple times. You can set an expiration date here if you choose to. But again, it's going to give you a far away expiration that you don't need to really worry about it. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create. Now, what we've done is we have created a Fibonacci level down below, and we've also created the alert. So again, you could be anywhere, and the moment that that 61.8 was crossed on this chart, what I did is I went back into the chart, and at this point, this is where we ended up calling a sell near this 78.6 area, near the 88. We gave the parameters, and we've been short on AU ever since. This has been a massive trade right now, sitting at 137 pips. And all of that is because the new feature on TradingView allows you now to set alerts on any or all Fib levels of your choice. Let me walk you through that one more time so you can see it, okay? You go to the Fib level. Let's do the 88.6. You are going to right-click. You are going to edit this alert right here, okay? You are going to click on that. When you click on that, you are going to choose the Fib level. In this case, based on my Fibs, let's choose the 88.6. We are going to say, for example, crossing, and we're going to leave everything else alone. Boom, you're going to set that, and now you've got two different Fib levels. You can see right here that there's a little kind of alarm set. So it's letting you know that you've got the Fib level set at the 88.6. This is an awesome feature for those folks that are like me, that don't sit in front of computers trading. You can set up your charts on the weekend. You can go high time frame, low time frame, whatever you trade. Set up some Fib levels to alert you that price is entering a key structural area, and then you can take the appropriate action, okay? I hope you got some value on this video. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with someone that might need it, okay? In addition, if you want to take trades like AU with me and our 300 traders, join our trading VIP community at theprofessortrades.com. What an awesome gift for yourself for about $1 a day, a little bit less than that actually, to come in and trade with us. You can start with us as soon as possible. You will get tremendous value. I promise. I'm in there each and every day. Thanks for watching.